Today, I'm going to be giving you 5 DIYs that require 0 sewing. You have a utility belt. Have a paper crown. This is what it looks like. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's holding you back. When in doubt, style it out. Hey guys, I'm back. It's the first crafty video of the new year. I've done a lot of DIY videos over the past year or so. You guys love them. But I did get this comment recently, and I thought that's such a good idea. So shout out to this person. They're all things that I love and I've picked out, so I'm sure that you will find at least one thing that you want to do. Number 1. You guys loved my utility belt that I made in this video. I recently wore it, but I did have a second idea of how to make one. And as the title suggests, this requires no sewing. So let's get started. Here's my idea. I have a pair of cargo trousers that I don't wear anymore. And my brilliant, ingenious idea is if I just cut out the pockets and the waistband, you have a utility belt that you can decorate. This will only work if your pockets are attached. If your pockets are attached to the outside layer, then all you need to do is cut around it. But if it's not, it's gonna like dangle. But I do think it would just like work the same. It's just gonna look different. So it depends which one you're after here. Step 1 is to pick your poison, pick your base that you're gonna cut up. Step 2 is to start cutting. I would outline everything that you want to cut with chalk. The most important thing here is because we're not sewing, it is really important that your lines are neat. And once that's done, separate the pieces. You should have something that looks like this. Now it looks a little bit wacky, but like most things, once you decorate it and style it, it can look awesome. Number 2. This one's really easy. I mean, they kind of all are, but this one's especially really easy. I was at my desk thinking, oh, how do I need to think of crafts that require no sewing. And I've been sewing so much recently, so it's all I can think about. I was like, oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. And then I look up from my desk. I have a paper crown. Thank you, Past Smidge, for making this because that was really fun. It's really cute and it's a brilliant idea. So here's number 2. What you're gonna need for this is card or paper. It depends the like GSM of your paper. The one I used for the yellow one that I made was really flimsy that I had to reinforce it with card. So make sure it's not too like, you know. Oh my god, I've just realized that I've forgotten actually the steps for this one. Hold on. Just give me a second. Okay, I remember. What you're gonna need to do is cut your paper into squares. If you want to do like a pattern where you alternate colors, do that. I'm just gonna do one color. Get your squares and then fold the points in. Fold again and again and again. Then once you've got that, make sure your folds are really neat and reinforced. Do that as many times as you want to fit circumference of your head. And it's literally as easy as slotting the pieces together and then boom. And ta-da! This is what it looks like. Okay, number 3. We're already halfway through. Let me just stop you for 1 second. Let me just please jingle jangle, please. 1 second. I constantly get comments saying, oh my god, I wish I had your wardrobe. Wait, leave your window open at night. Like, I've heard your pleas, I've heard your cries. I've also got too much stuff. So I'm selling a bunch of my clothes for really cheap. I'm not kidding. I think the cheapest thing up there is like a $5 in little outfit bundles that you can buy on my shop right now. Look at this. Look, it's really cool. Please, guys, I have no space. This is more about me getting rid of stuff. I'll write a little note in it and you'll get a video from me saying, thank you for buying my clothes. Yeah. And if that isn't enough for you, I also have style bundles where I can style you. I go shopping for you. It's really cool. I'm like your personal stylist. I also have a secret third option where I can style you, but digitally, where you send me pictures of your clothes and I say, you should buy this and put it together with this, and then it would look like this. Smidge.shop, smidge.shop, smidge.shop. Ad read over. Here's something for your troubles. Look at this. See? You can't be mad at me. Okay, actually number 3 now. A brilliant way to upcycle anything is to bleach it. Hey, this comes with a warning. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. If you are a baba, wait, you shouldn't be watching. If you're under 16, maybe ask your parents. I don't know. Just be careful. It is a chemical that can hurt and kill you. So I saw this video and thought, that's a genius idea. Stencil and also like airbrush vibes. Hey, can I say a sentence that makes sense? I'm gonna do that. Step number 1, again, pick your poison. Pick the thing that you're going to bleach. I'm doing a t-shirt, but it could be a jumper. It could be a bag. Step number 2 is prepare your surface. Also, have something to put in between the material you are bleaching on. For the stencil, you can just like cut out a piece of paper, draw on a piece of paper and use it as a stencil. But I thought, why don't I print out my design on sticker paper and cut it out? It means that I can easily stick it on. It just means that the stencil won't move. Then you're gonna mix a mixture. I fully eyeballed this. I don't have a measurement for you. I'm sorry. Kind of like, you want more water than bleach for this mixture. You just want it to be really diluted because we want that like dusting effect. You're gonna go ahead and put that in a spray bottle, spray it across your design. Then with a paintbrush and bleach that's stronger, it just depends what you're after. Be creative with it. This design is yours. When you watch videos like this, don't just like copy what I do. I mean, it's fun to like start out. The whole point of these videos is that then you get inspired and you go off and you discover new horizons and you come up with stuff and whatever. So just have a little think what you want to do. Then leave it to dry. You're gonna peel it off. Once that's done, you need to wash it. Once that's done and all dried, this is what it looks like. This is a secret. I'm actually gonna be selling this soon with a bunch of other clothes that I've made for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Number 4, what else can you do with a t-shirt you don't wear anymore? Cut that bitch up. Cut it up. I've seen pictures of people cutting the collars off of their shirts 100,000 times, and I've always gone, that's cute, but I wouldn't wear it. I mean, you'd usually wear it with like a little strap showing, and then I saw this picture and I was like, wait, forgot layering was a thing. And I haven't felt like trying something new in ages, so I'm like, oh, idea to try something new. Oh my god. We're gonna do it. I'm grasping onto the idea because I barely get this anymore. I want to try something new. It's gonna be fun. Let's see. It could be ugly. Who knows? Again, step 1, pick your poison. Every time I see a video of someone who's done this, the top comment is, oh my god, tutorial. This is me holding your hand. I'm really sorry. Am I being mean? Why do you need a tutorial? I'm a hypocrite because I'm doing one, but shh. You cut the collar. You just cut it. Look at me. Not everything needs a tuck. You just cut it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's holding you back. Just do it. Okay, sorry. This video is less like a bunch of tutorials and more a bunch of ideas. So anyway, I'm gonna cut the collar. There we go, I did it. You can also just cut random holes into stuff. Did you know that? Be careful it doesn't break. Though, like I said at the first point, the first idea, when in doubt, style it. When in doubt, style it out. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Number 5. Number 5 is really cool. I saw this picture and I thought, that looks really cool. Here we are. For this, you will need CDs. The thought that some of you will not know what that is. No, I'm not going to be that person that's like, oh my god, I'm old. I'm not going to do that. I think in this picture, it's just the thing that comes with the CDs when you buy them and you just stack them on top. But if you don't have that, any kind of like stick or old paintbrush will work in the middle. Just gonna stack them. Stickers on this would look cute, but here we are. You got a trinket shell. Obviously, don't put anything that's like really heavy on this. Maybe even little figurines would work, but this is what it looks like on my desk. Okay, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for the warm welcome back. I'm assuming you wow. I was gonna try the whole really cocky attitude thing where I say, I'm assuming you I can't even say it. I'm assuming you've subscribed. Clearly not. Do I even deserve it at that point? I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Please join the Discord. We've started a community over there. It's really cute and really fun. Also, I've migrated back to Tumblr, so go follow me there. That's where you want to be if you want smidge updates. I will see you when I see you. I'm still getting back into it. Guys, the year is long. Bye. Bye.